Get ready to witness some of the most unbelievable machines ever created, starting with the Tigercat 760B, a true monster that has completely changed the forestry and logging industry. Built to dominate the harshest landscapes, this powerhouse tears through dense forests while handling massive timber with remarkable speed. Equipped with a rugged grapple system and an incredibly powerful cutting head, it grips, cuts, and processes enormous trees with ease. Its advanced hydraulic technology delivers lightning-fast, highly accurate movements, allowing operators to work efficiently while leaving a much smaller impact on the surrounding environment. What truly makes the Tigercat 760B stand out is the combination of raw power and smart engineering. Its high-performance cutting head dramatically speeds up tree harvesting and processing, making every operation more productive than ever before. The advanced hydraulic system provides smooth, precise control, reducing fuel consumption while maximizing efficiency. Even more surprising, its specialized design helps minimize soil damage and protects nearby vegetation during logging operations. This balance of performance, efficiency, and environmental responsibility has made the Tigercat 760B one of the most trusted machines for modern, sustainable forestry. Next comes the toll-incorporated Twin DT4 Shaker, a machine that completely changes the rules of construction. Instead of relying on slow, traditional soil stabilization techniques, this engineering giant uses powerful vibrations to transform unstable ground in a fraction of the time. The result is denser, stronger soil capable of supporting massive roads, bridges, and buildings. Its incredible performance has made it one of the industry's most talked about innovations, leaving many conventional construction methods struggling to keep up. The Twin DT4 Shaker is packed with advanced features that make it a true breakthrough in soil stabilization. Its powerful vibration system rapidly strengthens the ground, saving valuable time while cutting down on labor and equipment costs. The improved soil density creates solid, long-lasting foundations capable of supporting heavy structures for years. Even more impressive, it achieves these results without relying on harmful chemical treatments, making the process cleaner, safer, and far more environmentally friendly. It's a machine proving that faster construction doesn't have to come at nature's expense. Now let's move into the world of giant earth-moving machines with the Sirius KTech 1288 ADT. This enormous machine is pushing the limits of efficiency in both mining and large-scale construction. What makes it truly extraordinary is its massive hauling capacity combined with a uniquely engineered scraper design. Together, these features allow it to transport huge amounts of material in a single pass, dramatically reducing workload and making it an essential machine on some of the world's biggest job sites. The Sirius KTech 1288 ADT delivers exceptional performance through a combination of strength, durability, and intelligent design. Its efficient scraper system moves enormous volumes of material with every trip, eliminating unnecessary cycles and boosting productivity across entire projects. This not only speeds up construction and mining operations but also reduces operating costs and saves valuable time. Built to survive the toughest working conditions, its rugged construction ensures dependable performance day after day, making it a machine operators can trust when failure simply isn't an option. When it comes to road maintenance, few machines are as impressive as the Trackless Asphalt Heater. This innovative equipment is changing the way damaged roads are repaired by using advanced infrared technology to restore existing asphalt instead of replacing it completely. By heating and rejuvenating worn surfaces, it repairs cracks and potholes quickly while its compact design allows it to reach areas that larger equipment simply cannot access, making road repairs faster and far more efficient. The Trackless Asphalt Heater combines cutting-edge technology with remarkable versatility. Its infrared heating system softens damaged asphalt, allowing seamless, long-lasting repairs without creating weak joints or uneven surfaces. Thanks to its compact size and outstanding maneuverability, it can easily operate in crowded urban streets and confined work zones where traditional machinery struggles. By restoring existing asphalt instead of removing it entirely, the machine significantly lowers repair costs, extends the lifespan of roadways, conserves valuable resources, and supports more sustainable road maintenance practices. Modern agriculture is also being transformed by the Kuami AG Skid Turner, a remarkably versatile machine designed to handle countless farming tasks with ease. Compatible with a wide range of attachments, it can load, unload, transport, and manage agricultural materials efficiently, while its compact size allows it to work comfortably in areas where larger equipment simply cannot operate. Its compact size and outstanding maneuverability make the Kuami AG Skid Turner an invaluable machine for farms of every size. What truly sets it apart is its ability to work with a wide variety of attachments, allowing farmers to perform multiple tasks using a single machine instead of investing in several specialized units. This not only cuts costs but also saves valuable time throughout the day. Thanks to its compact frame and excellent maneuverability, it performs effortlessly in confined spaces and rough terrain where larger equipment often struggles. By combining versatility, efficiency, and mobility, the Kuami AG Skid Turner transforms everyday farming operations while maximizing productivity and making better use of available resources. The SNR-DB series is completely changing the way heavy machinery is transported across massive construction and mining sites. Instead of starting every machine individually, this innovative system uses a unique track mechanism that allows equipment to move independently from one location to another. The result is lower fuel consumption, reduced wear on tires and undercarriages, and significantly lower maintenance costs. It's a surprisingly simple solution that delivers enormous operational benefits. One of the biggest strengths of the SNR-DB series is its ability to move heavy machinery safely and efficiently without running the machines themselves. This greatly reduces unnecessary engine hours while improving job site safety by eliminating many of the risks associated with conventional machine movement. Faster relocation also means less downtime and greater productivity across construction and mining projects. By combining safety, efficiency, and cost savings, the SNR-DB series has become a preferred solution for companies looking to maximize performance without increasing operating expenses. Next is the Epiroc Underground Mining Scooptram ST14 Battery, a machine leading one of the biggest transformations in modern mining. Unlike traditional diesel-powered equipment, this fully electric Scooptram dramatically reduces underground emissions while operating with remarkably low noise levels. Even more impressive, it delivers outstanding power without sacrificing performance, proving that environmentally friendly technology can compete with, and even outperform, conventional mining equipment. The Epiroc Scooptram ST14 Battery represents a major breakthrough in underground mining technology. Its electric drivetrain creates a cleaner working environment by reducing harmful emissions, while its quiet operation significantly improves conditions for miners underground. Despite eliminating diesel power, it maintains exceptional or handling performance that rivals traditional machines. This combination of sustainability, silent operation, and impressive productivity positions the ST14 battery as one of the most forward-thinking solutions for the future of underground mining. Now meet the Ducker SPF 900 hard shoulder milling machine, a highly specialized machine engineered to perform multiple road maintenance tasks in a single operation. This self-propelled milling unit can remove hard shoulders while simultaneously loading the excavated material, dramatically improving work efficiency. With a working width of 1.25 meters and extendable augers reaching from 1.7 to 2.1 meters, it easily operates beneath and behind roadside guardrails where conventional equipment often struggles. The Ducker SPF 900 is packed with intelligent engineering features that maximize both performance and precision. Its integrated broom continuously cleans the roadway during operation, helping maintain smooth workflow and optimal working conditions. A front-mounted sensor constantly monitors the operating area to improve accuracy and efficiency, while both the machine's travel system and milling functions are fully hydraulic, delivering smooth, reliable performance even during demanding road